Do you feel article the is simple but maximum mistakes આ ટોપિકમાં જ થાય છે. Hello everyone. This is Pragna Patel and welcome back to your favorite channel Easy Speak English. આજે આપણે આર્ટિકલ ધ એડવાન્સ લેવલ પર માસ્ટર કરીશું. આફ્ટર ધીસ વિડીયો તમે પરફેક્ટ રીતે આર્ટિકલ ધ નો ઉપયોગ કરતા શીખી જશો. લેટ્સ બિગિન. We start with core concept. Article the. Definite article. The નો યુઝ જ્યારે નાઉન સ્પેસિફિક, નોન કે પર્ટિક્યુલર હોય ત્યારે થાય છે. That means ચોક્કસ કે ખાસ. Example. The book is on the table. Specific book. We are talking about specific book. Now we see when to use the. Number 1. Specific things. Example. The boy is playing. The boy. Specific. Next one. Unique things. Example. The sun. The moon. The earth. Now next one. Famous places or monuments. Examples. The Taj Mahal, the India Gate, the Red Fort. Now next one. Rivers, seas, oceans. Examples. The Ganga, the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean. Now superlatives. The best, the biggest, the most. Example. He is the best student. Now musical instrument. Example. She plays the guitar. Now last. Previously mentioned. Example. I saw a dog. The dog was barking. Now when not to use the. First, proper noun. Don't say the Ram. Say Ram. કોઈ પણ પર્સનનું નેમ હોય ત્યારે ધ ન લાગે. Now second number. General meaning. Example. The milk is good. It's wrong. Right is milk is good. Number 3. Languages, subjects. Don't say the English. Say English. Now number 4 and last. Don't say the breakfast, the lunch, the supper, the dinner. Say breakfast, lunch, supper, dinner. Now advanced rules. Number 1. Adjective as group. Examples. The rich, the poor. Number 2. Ordinal numbers. Examples. The first, the second. Number 3. Newspapers and organization. Example. The Times of India. Now last and number 4. Family. Example. The Sarmas, the Vermas. Now let's fix some common mistakes that made by students. Examples. Never say the India. Say India. Stop saying the happiness. Start saying happiness. Now quick revise what we learned today. First, specific rules. Second, advanced rules. Third, common mistakes. And last, practice test. આ ટોપિકથી તમારું ગ્રામર સ્ટ્રોંગ બનશે. Thank you so much for your time. Follow for English motivation videos. Take care and goodbye.